Simply connect to this website, view some ads, complete some offers, and make some huge amounts of money. I did it, you can do the same. Hello guys, I'm back with a super simple method to get paid $500 for watching videos. And this doesn't require any trading or any kind of investment, only you, your free time, and a smartphone or a laptop. This method is available all around the world and it is only a few months old, so it's guaranteed to work through 2021. But guys, make sure not to skip any step in the video, because if you do, there's a high risk that you miss out on an important step that would otherwise make your profit a lot higher. And before I start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any new opportunity to earn some cash online. And now, let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So for the first step of our method today, I want you to go onto this website right here, which is called gptplanet.com. And this is a website that is gonna help us tremendously today in our efforts to make some cash online, as here we will be paid by simply clicking on ads using a phone or using a computer. It doesn't matter which operating device you are using or which operating system you are using, you are still able to earn some money with this method. It is very, very simple as well, and I'll show you a lot of examples right here in this video. But as you can see right off the bat, they have paid $1.5 million to their users so far, and they have accumulated nearly 1 million members. So that means that this is a very popular website and it is really profitable. They've got people from all around the world earning money the same way that I'm gonna show you now. And as you can see, it's very, very simple. You would just have to register, and it's also free to do it. You can get your account for free. After that, you will earn money by completing simple tasks like viewing advertisements, referring new members, and completing offers. And the last thing you would do is cash out your earnings, and they've got a few different options for cash out. That is Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, Perfect Money, or even Bitcoin. And the sweet thing is that the minimum threshold is only $1. So that means as soon as you get $1, you can withdraw your money to your account. So some really good features on this website as you saw, and right now we can move on and click on the register button. And this is the second step of our method. We need to make an account here. It's totally free and very simple to do. First of all, you would just have to enter your full name here. Then after that, you will just get your username and a password. And then you will just have to put in your date of birth, your email address, confirm that email address, and confirm your password. Just make sure to enter in a valid email address, because they're going to send you a verification link or confirmation link, however you want to call it, and you need to click on that in order to start using your account here. And after that, you would just have to select your payment account over here. As you can see, plenty of different options here. You can choose whichever one you like. Just make sure to put information in here, complete this CAPTCHA, complete this terms of service, and click on the register button. Simple as that. And we're moving on to the third step of our method today. This is your dashboard. This is how it's going to look like when you make an account. And right now, guys, I want you to show that here they took the time to make all these statistics for you so you can track your earnings very easily. But we need to make some money first. So what I want you to do is click on the Earn More section and click on GPT Grid, as that is the most profitable thing you can do on this website. And as you can see, GPT Grid is click to win up to $1,000. It's easy to play. You click anywhere on the picture and it will lead you to a sponsor site that you will have to view for up to 5 seconds. And on the right section here, you can see that people are making money over and over again by simply clicking on ads right here on this website. And this is a picture, but it contains a lot of small boxes, as you can see here. Now, every single time you click on this small little box, that's gonna take you to a random video, and you have to stay there for 5 seconds, and then you will earn your money. So say, for example, when I click on this box, that's gonna take me to this where they will validate my click and tell me if I am a winner. So I have 9 chances left for today. So I'm gonna try another one. As you can see, the picture is changed. Let's click on this one and let's see, will I win it this time? And no, this time as well. So just make sure to come back to this again and again, and you have a chance of winning $1,000 for one click. And another way in which you can earn money on this website is click on One Ads. And here you can scroll down and find all these different offers, different surveys you can do, and you can do them in less than 5 to 10 seconds. And if you complete all of these, that's some huge amounts of money in the long run. As you can see, this guy over here completed everything and he earned $22, and I suppose he did it in 5 to 10 minutes. So that's really fast money and really easy as well. And once you get yourself some money on this, once you earn enough, I suggest you go to this section, which is called Upgrade Account. And here you can choose some packages for yourself. As you can see, you have Standard, which is free. You have Monthly Silver, Monthly Gold, Monthly Gold Plus, and yearly ones as well. So as you can see, you can get 100% of your click value. That means you would get double from every offer we found on the earn section. So double the amount of every one of those, and that means you can easily make $50 each day with this, because it's really easy and it's really fast. So upgrading your account can be worthwhile. And as you can see, it's not very expensive. It's only $5 per month for this silver, and you don't need gold as well. You just need this silver, and that will double the amount you can earn on this site. So just make sure you visit all of these subcategories over here, because they are highly profitable. And if you do them all, you can get $30 or $40 a day using it. And I don't know about you, but $30 or $40 per day for simply clicking on some ads and completing surveys is good enough. And one more thing I need to show you is that they have a nice support section. Basically, if you run into any problems on the website, or if you run into problems with withdrawing your money or so, you can just create a ticket here, and they are very fast when it comes to responding to your tickets. They are in this business for a long time and they are really professional, so you can be sure that all of your problems will be solved. And if you like, you can also visit their forum section, and here you can ask for advice, you can hang out with people, and as well as you can see, they've got payment proof section, and I'ma show you just that. And as you can see, people are posting their payments here, so you can be sure that this is a very legit site which pays their users consistently. So for example, let's click on this one. As you can see, my 68 payment. So this guy had 68 payments, and this is his payment proof. $27. So this guy earned $27 on just one payment. And it was his 68th payment, so let's just multiply that with 27 and we get $1,800. So as you can see, guys, people are making money with this website. They are highly profitable, almost $2,000 for simply clicking on the website. It's really, really sweet money. And with that, I conclude today's video. Make sure you visit this site and tell me down in the comment section how much money you were able to earn in the first few weeks. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.